Welcome to the video about MS Social App. The programming languages used for this app include HTML, CSS, PHP, MySQL and Database, and Ajax. Next, let's explore the various features of the MS Social App. The app includes a chunk system that allows for an upload limit of up to 100 megabytes. There is also a chat system that enables user-to-user communication. The post system allows users to share images and videos within the app. The follower and following system enables user-to-user following, which will be demonstrated live. This project draws inspiration from Mark Zuckerberg's idea in 2004. The core concept is an app structure designed to greatly aid KPI students in their studies. Regarding functions, when an admin uploads an image, it goes to Cloudinary. The metadata, such as the title and description, goes to Firebase. After the image upload, Cloudinary returns a URL, which is then stored in Firebase along with the metadata. This is a simple look at the app's UI and layout. This is the admin panel used for uploading data. A simple live demo will be shown.